Hello, nature enthusiasts. It's April right now, and April means Earth Day. Earth Day is this wonderful holiday in celebration of planet Earth and all the amazing biodiversity we have in it. And it was originally celebrated in 1970, and it has been celebrated every April 22nd, so mark your calendars, every April 22nd since. It was originally organized by environmentalists and peace activists. It has been celebrated and supported by the United States, the United Nations, and a number of outside organizations. Organizations that are not normally super environmentally based, but that definitely have supported environmental causes. And in particular, one early supporter who was crucial in the launching of Earth Day and sort of getting some momentum going in those very first years was actually the United Auto Workers Union. It was originally cast as a day for environmental teaching, environmental education, environmental awareness. And that's really what it's continued to be ever since. That very first year, in 1970, 20 million people took to the streets and marched and attended events and participated in person in Earth Day activities. And that number, 20 million, remains the largest single-day event in U.S. history that's ever occurred. And it's continued to grow. In fact, in 1990, Earth Day went officially international, and since then it's been growing and growing and growing, and is now a worldwide celebration every April. It's also expanded a bit in time. Now, instead of just being a single day, there's actually a whole week of events with Earth Day in its midst, organized for presentations, speakers, activities, all sorts of different kinds of events that you can attend if you are interested. And each year, Earth Day has a theme, an event or an idea around which the rest of Earth Day and sort of Earth Week is organized. So this year, it's 2021 when I'm making this video, and this year, the event theme is Restore Our Earth. So there are all sorts of activities that are available that have been organized for people to join, from planting native plants, to removing invasive plants, to picking up trash, to improving habitat for native pollinators, all sorts of stuff, all with the theme of restoring the earth. And it's a wonderful way to celebrate the earth. I mean, that's what it's about. It's about celebrating planet Earth, Earth Day. And there is a website, earthday.org, that is sort of the official central clearinghouse of all things Earth Day. I will leave a link in the description below. So check it out. There are tons of things for all ages. There are sort of heavy labor kinds of things like planting trees and removing invasive species. That can be really labor intensive sometimes. There are more fun things like nature scavenger hunts. There are things for all ages, for all abilities, for all groups of people to participate in. So I strongly encourage you to go check out the website and find a way to participate and celebrate this wonderful earth that we all share and live on. And revel in the history of Earth Day. It's a really cool holiday that has been created, like I said, 1970. So it's going on, it's getting some history behind it, which is pretty exciting. I hope that it goes on into the future forever. And I hope that you mark your calendars for April 22nd every year and celebrate our wonderful Earth. Thank you for the view. Subscribe to the channel. Until next time, enjoy the natural world and happy Earth Day.